How to avoid overdrafts or hidden fees with US bank accounts. To avoid overdrafts and hidden fees with US bank accounts, firstly, you will need to turn off overdraft protections. Most US banks automatically enroll you in overdraft programs. To remove this, you need to go to bank's mobile app. Then you will find the overdraft service or account service. Here you must see the option Decline Overdraft. If overdraft is off, your transaction will simply decline instead of charging a huge fee. Secondly, keep a small buffer amount in your checking. Always keep somewhere between $20 to $50 extra in your checking account. This really protects you from random subscription renewing, auto payments, and delayed transactions. And lastly, turn on low balance alerts. US bank apps let you create notification when your balance drops below $100 or a huge transaction occurs. In most cases, a subscription might even hit your account. To avoid this, make sure to turn on low balance alerts, daily balance alerts, and large transaction alerts. This prevents you from both overdrafts and fraud. That's all for today. Thank you.